Did you know that Earth observation data helps us understand climate change patterns, enabling more effective sustainability strategies? Hi everyone, I'm Dennis, Head of Remote Sensing Services at VITO, where we process Earth observation satellites to monitor our planet's health and predict future challenges.
Hi, and I'm Linus, R&D researcher at VITO. I'm specialized in using aerial measurements with our flying lab. This is a drone which can help us measure air quality and industrial emissions in real time. Together, we use remote sensing technologies, both from space and from the sky, to improve the sustainability and protect the environment.
Thanks to the huge amounts of high-quality Earth observation data, such as the European Copernicus program, we can observe extensive regions and detect changes that are invisible to the naked eye, like deforestation in remote areas, identifying urban heat islands, or crop stress before it becomes visible to farmers. We can track these changes continuously, supporting governments, industry, and communities to adapt to current and future challenges. For example, AI-driven models provide high-resolution land, forest and crop cover maps in near real time, providing exact information needed to implement sustainability practices, protect natural resources and respond swiftly to environmental challenges.
Closer to the ground, our flying lab provides a detailed, real-time view on air quality and industrial emissions. By connecting a range of sensors to drones and using a specialized model, we can monitor the emissions of gases like methane, ammonia or other pollutants directly at the source. From data to action.
Remote sensing data is more than just capturing images from space. It's about providing decision makers, governments, businesses, NGOs with the insights they need to take real action, whether it's planning for scarcity, protecting forests, or adapting to climate change on the long term.
Similarly, our drone technology provides crucial data that governments and industry needs to reduce pollution and track emissions, and to select the most sustainable technologies and policies, reducing pollution and protecting health. It's about creating real-world impact with data.
The future of Earth observation. Earth observation technologies are evolving rapidly. Higher resolution, more sensors, and artificial intelligence, combined with better algorithms and models, allow us to extract more meaningful insights faster and more accurately. At VITO, we continue to push the boundaries with satellite data for the sake of sustainability.
Already, the data collected by drones, aircrafts and satellites is creating a global wave of action. It's guiding governments, industry and investors towards more sustainable solutions, helping to protect the people in our planet. If you're interested in how VITO technology is part of this global wave, I'll be presenting the Flying Lab, a bird's eye on air quality, pollution and industrial emissions at LOVE tomorrow.
If you're curious to learn more about how satellite supports sustainability, I'll dive deeper into the power of Earth observation during my talk, Orbital Insights, How Satellites Guide Sustainability on Earth, at the LOVE Tomorrow Summit.
Explore the Love Tomorrow Summit and get your tickets today at lovetomorrow.com.